Hi, I have a problem. I want to write the screenplay, but I don't have the tools. Whoa, $200 for a scriptwriting software? As I am a father now, I can get for the same amount a box of diapers, a mountain of wipes, bunch of clothes, food, and more. Wait. Let's do something. When I was a web developer, I used text editor, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code was originally made for developers to write their code. But with the right extensions, we can turn it into an excellent and free scriptwriting tool. No $200, no monthly fees, just free. And it's not difficult. I'm gonna show you. When you first open Visual Studio Code, you are greeted with a welcoming page. And we're gonna ignore all of it, because we have to install Fountain extension so we can start writing our screenplays about some cats who with baseball bats bash on others' animals' head and then they cook them. Jesus, don't care. Show me how to use the freaking program. Alright, of course. Yeah. Now, when you look in the most left side, you will see the activity bar. And in there are many icons, but we only care about the very last one. The one that looks like a bunch of boxes put on top of each other, and then another one is being added to it. This is the extension icon. Let's click on it. Extensions are like power-ups that you feed to your Visual Studio Code to make it more powerful. So we have to find our Fountain power-up. Click on search bar and type Better Fountain. You click on Better Fountain, and then you click on install. You wait a couple of seconds. You know when it's installed when a new icon appears in the activity bar. And we're done. Super easy, very straightforward. So how do we write our screenplay? We'll click on File, New Text File. A new tab appears with the name Untitled. Hey. Boop. Anyway, a new tab appears and we have to save it as a Fountain type. I named mine Mega Ultra Super Duper Duper Script. Yeah, that's the name. And now we are ready to create our masterpiece. So let's start with the title. Simply type title, credit by author Olar. What is that? It doesn't look anything like the screenplay. How is that the correct formatting? Let me show you. We just have to click on the Fountain icon, the one with the big F in the activity bar, and then you go under the command section and you click on Show Live Preview. Ta-da! A new tab appears on the right side and it renders simple text in the correct formatting of the screenplay. Now we have the title page. Let's add first scene, action line, dialogue with the first character. It's very straightforward. You just type it like you would type normally. In capital letters, you write interior or exterior, then the location, and then the time of the day. You can see on the right side that it's already formatted correctly. And there you have it. You write it as a plain text on the left side and then it formats automatically correct screenplay format on the right side. And then you have to do is go under command and choose export as PDF. You click on it and it saves it as a new PDF file. Let's have a look on it. And now only thing is left is for you to print it or share it with the people who need to see it. Easy, and it's all free. Now that's fire. Thank you for watching the end. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. Anyway, that's all. See ya.